Next, what we're going to do is, okay, we're going to like move all the character downwards. Okay, you might notice that when you kind of like import your glyph from Illustrator right to FontLab, maybe it's not in the right position, right? As you might see here, the A character is kind of like really above the baseline here, so we need to move it downward, right, to meet with the baseline, to sit properly on the baseline at 0 here, right? The B here, can you see it? Here. So, I mean, you can move it freely, okay? Just use the elements here. Just select this one, okay? The black, you know, arrow. Just press 3 on your keyboard, okay? And just move the character, you know, anywhere you like, okay? Another way to move other character, I mean, you can just move it individually, repeatedly, okay? And it might take, you know, some time to finish all the transformation here, right? So another way is you can just, you know, move it around all at once. Is that incredible? Okay, just select the first character that you want to move it first, all right? And then open two panels here, okay, which is transform and elements. Where are they? They're in Windows. To go to Windows and select panel here. Go to Window, all right, panel, and select elements here, and select transform here, right? So next, okay, usually it's just 0, sorry about that. Okay, next what you have to do is, okay, move this character to first A. Yeah, I mean, if you look at the element right now, sorry about that, okay, just take a look at the element first. It will tell you the coordinates of this character, where is it exactly on this workspace, okay? Right now, if you look at the number on the right here, is 1000, right? It's just the position on the y coordinate, okay? If you move it around, it will change, okay? And the 0 is the x, you know, coordinates. So if I move it around here, move A down to the baseline, let's say, okay, move it here. What happened? The number kind of change, right? The coordinate change to 731, right? So you might need some calculators here, okay? Just put the number of the first coordinate in your calculator, alright, which is 1000, okay? And minus it with 730 here. Okay, so the result is 269, around that, okay? So we already moved this one, right? We don't have to do anything with this A. But what about the rest? Right now it's in the wrong position, right? So you select all the glyphs by hold out your shift, okay, and select all the glyphs that you want to move, okay. Go to transform here, okay. This is the tools that you can like use to like move all the elements of the things here around. Like if you change, you want to move it to the right or the left or horizontal lines, right? Just put some number on the X, okay. And if you want to move anything in the vertical directions, then you put the number in the Y, right? If you want to scale your character up or down, just put some number in percentage here, okay? If you want to like rotate your characters, then you put the number here. But anyhow, we're going to move it downward, okay? So we're going to like put the number here in the Y coordinate, right? So the number is okay, we have to move it downward, right? So it will be in minus, right? And then 269, and then we can like hit enter or hit apply, okay? We will move all the objects, okay, downward.